Brian Barclay, Director of Sales National Accounts at DuraVent. Over 60 years in the industry as a leader in venting innovation. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how do we get the homeowner from purchasing the stove at the store to a successful installation at their home. The way we work at DuraVent is we build everything around kits. We have two primary wood-burning chimney kits, and we have connector pipe kits. The kits that we sell come two ways, basically an up kit and an out kit. So when the homeowner comes into the store and they've already have that pre-selected stove, what you do is you want to ask them one of two questions. Sir, ma'am, do you plan on going up through the ceiling or do you plan on going out through the wall? That's really our only two options. Most homeowners go up. It's actually the most common way. It's probably around 65–70% of the time. You want to try to keep the chimney within the envelope of the home. If you can't, because you have a two-story installation or there's stuff in the way, then the other option would be to go out through the wall. Like I said, the two kits come up and they come out. The kits themselves are actually designed to contain all the items necessary to actually make the holes in your house. So if you were going to purchase the up kit, like I said, the primary kit, that actually contains ceiling support box, the connector to the bottom of the ceiling support box, attic insulation shield. It's kind of a one-stop deal there. What happens is the ceiling support box allows you to penetrate the ceiling. The actual flashing on top of that turns it into a attic insulation shield, which stops the insulation from dropping down inside and catching fire, obviously. And then we have a flashing, which is the top that goes out through the roof of your house. We have a storm collar, stops the water. And then we have a termination cap, which is basically the frosting on the cap, on the cake, that's the top, right? So if you were to purchase this kit, the homeowner now has all the pieces, like I said, to penetrate and go up through the roof of the house. The other kit we sell is the out through the wall kit. The out through the wall kit, a little more complex, a few more parts in it, but its job is to allow you to go this way. So what you end up doing is you're going to purchase that kit. It's going to come with a wall thimble. It's going to have a piece of pipe to go inside the wall thimble. The adapters to hook to that pipe. A T. The T is the transition. That's how you go basically up. The T support itself, which holds the weight of all the chimney. It has two wall supports that actually holds the chimney against the wall. And then the ever important termination cap or the top, like I said, frosting on the cake. So the two kits you have here do that. The good thing about the kits now is they are in colorized box. We do have verbiage on here that explains what's in the kit. We also have all the items in an image that are actually color-coded to show what's in there. So the homeowner can go either this way or that way, and then out the store they go. Now, that's only part of the job. The next step is, once you've got the homeowner this far, you have to fill in. The next thing, if you go this way, is chimney pipe. Chimney pipe goes from here to here. So the homeowner, once they buy the kit, they have to purchase chimney pipe. Chimney pipe comes most commonly in 3-footers, but we also have 1-footers, 2-footers. But the chimney pipe, that's the biggest seller. That goes up and on its way. If you go out through the wall, you still need this, but you need a whole lot more because you obviously have to go from here to here. Could be a more expensive job, more cumbersome, but it is definitely an alternative to going straight up. Now, as you can see in my diagram here, I've showed you the chimney part. The part that I haven't showed you is how do we actually get from the stove to the chimney. We have to make sure the homeowner knows this part here is not chimney. That's connector pipe. Connector pipe is the part that connects the stove actually to the chimney. We sell that also in kits. It comes two ways. We have a single wall kit, which we call DuraPlus. We have a double wall kit, which we call DVL. So if you look at it, it comes two ways. The difference between the two kits are single wall, double wall. Homeowner has to make that decision. The good thing about the double wall product, which we call DVL, lifetime warranty, close clearance to combustible. It's also designed for the new 2020 EPA stoves. That's kind of a longer story, but we'll talk about that later. Now, connector pipe goes one of two ways. It either goes up, or if you add an elbow to it, it can go out. So you can go either way. So basically what we've done here is we've made this as simple as possible on the homeowner to get from the store to their home. Got two different kits that go either up or out, two different kits, single wall, double wall, chimney pipe. When you put the whole thing together, boom, successful installation done right. So thank you for watching. We'll have more videos at DuraVent's YouTube channel. Have a great day.